Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze and your windshield wipers do not work, guys, okay, windshield wipers do not turn on, we'll guys explain which fuse you need to check. Now we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below with your honest recommendation. That way we know how to improve, guys, and how to make better videos for you. So this is, guys, the car right here. It's a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it will work for the whole generation from 2008 to 2016. All of them use the same components. So doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.4, 1.8, the procedure is practically the same, guys. So what we need to do now, guys, we need to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, it's under the hood, that fuse. We need to support it now. Perfect. And this is, guys, the fuse box, and this is the fuse cover that we need to remove. So here you have 1, 2, 3 clips, guys, and this you need to squish towards each other. Okay, and after that, okay, you pull it up. Perfect. Now the fuse, guys, that we need to check, it's actually called a JK's fuse. Okay, it's this fuse right here, guys. This is fuse number 6. Next to the fuse there is a little number that tells you this is fuse number 6. How you remove it? We're going to get the fuse puller here. There is one clip, we push back and then we can pull it up. Okay, perfect. Now you grab it with the big side, okay, on the fuse like that, and then you might need to use 2 hands, okay, and pull it out. Now, guys, this fuse, in some cases you can tell if it's a good or if it's a bad fuse, but not always. What I usually do for the JK's fuses and the other ones as well, I will show you guys how we test them. Okay, so this is, guys, okay, this is the tester right here. This is a regular voltmeter, but this is a very good voltmeter, guys. Check it out, listed in the description of the video below. You can find all the fuses there as well. I have it set on continuity. Now if I touch both elements on the fuse, one here, one there, I should get zeros, guys, if everything's right. I don't get anything, so this is most likely, guys, a bad fuse. Now I will go ahead and grab a new one quick. Okay, again the same amp fuse. Okay, and check it out now, guys. We get zeros. There is communication between one end of the fuse and the other one. When you are ready to install it, guys, all you have to do, okay, you need to make sure that you align everything, push it in, guys, okay. Make sure that it goes all the way in. Don't forget to put your fuse puller here as well because you'll need it later. And this is, guys, the whole procedure. If that doesn't fix the problem, we have a video that explains how to remove windshield wiper motor, how to replace the switch and all that stuff. Thank you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.